Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi and Bluetooth grayed out problem on iPhone. So guys, if you are using any iOS device and facing the issue that your Wi-Fi icon and Bluetooth has been grayed out and not be able to turn on, you can easily fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to go back, and guys, after going to back, simply you have to open your settings first. You have to turn on your airplane mode for 3 to 4 times on your iOS device, and guys, after this you need to scroll it down. From here guys, you will find the option of general and you need to scroll it below, and here is the option of transfer and reset iPhone, and click on reset. And guys, now you can see here is the option of reset network settings. So guys, simply you have to reset your network settings by entering your passcode. So guys, when you have reset your network settings, then guys, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and mobile data, all the settings will be reset related to network. And guys, after doing this, your problem will be fixed. If guys still not fix your problem, you can see here is the option of VPN and device management. And guys, if you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you have to go back, and guys, after this you have to turn on your mobile data and check for iOS update. So guys, maybe there is problem on your iOS version, so guys, make sure that you are using updated version. So guys, after doing these methods, your problem will be fixed. If still not fix your problem, you have to open your Apple Support app here, and guys, now you need to wait for some seconds. From here guys, you need to select your device, and after this you have to click on more. And guys, from here you need to find Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So guys, firstly you need to open your Bluetooth, and guys, after this you have to wait for some seconds. Click on call, and you need to call at these two numbers and tell them your problem, and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. And guys, like this, you have to find here Wi-Fi tab, and guys, you have to open this tab, and guys, you can select call also. And guys, by telling them problem, your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.